But you know gursha?
I know Busha.
Yeah. So here, take gursha. Take gursha. You have to. This is Ethiopian tradition.
For us, in our culture, my wife is the one who giving me.
Okay.
Only your wife.
Only my wife.
I'm not your wife. I'm not your wife. ናይሮቢ ትንሽ ጨለም ብላለች። አሁን የምንገኘው ወደ ዩጋንዳ የሚወስደው ሃይዌይ ነው፣ ሶፓ ሃይዌይ። What's your name? Huh? Paulos.
Yeah.
Abasha?
Yeah.
ና እስቲ ና ኧረ ሰላም በለኝ። ደህና ነህ ጳውሎስዬ? እንዴት ነህ? እንግዲህ እንደምታዩት መብራት የለም ምን የለም። ልማት የኮሪደር ልማት እዚህ ቢገባ በእውነት የሚያመሰግኑን ይመስለኛል። ሼፍ Yes. Your food is so good. This is gursha. Say አንድ ያጣላል. Which means we don't only do one, we do two.
Okay.
So we do one more.
We have also white rice. So if you feed me, you become my wife because
I have to become your wife if I feed you. It's okay. If you cook for me, you can be my husband.